to my channel. Before we get started, click subscribe button and give us thumbs up. So today I have my friend Budangki, or Rianish, if you want to call her that. I just called her Budang. So I'm gonna unbox this mini kitchen toy. It's mommy's present, guys. So let's go open it now. I'm really excited. Even my friend Budang is excited. Right? You're really excited. Like, please, guys. I can't open this. Mommy, can you help? So here, guys. So here's my kitchen toy. And I think this is real because it has a plug. See? I think this is the stove where we can cook. There's a board, cutting board. There's a pan. There's this mold for making empanada. There's this pot. There's a golden pen. I forgot what it's called, but don't tell me. There's another this thing. I forgot what it's called again. And there's a spoon. There's so hard to get it. Oh, there's this spoon and another spoon. Oh, there's a whisk! And there's a knife. Is this a knife?
Oh, it is. No, it's sharp. Maybe it's sharp.
But it's real!
It's real.
So, be careful, guys. If you buy this, be careful. If you saw this knife, be careful. Just open it when you're gonna use it, guys. And let's open this now. But I need something. You will open yours. Yep. I need to open the whisk. Yes. Put this inside here because it will, you know,
Let's wash the
wash
pan.
all. Let's wash all of it. And then open it.
Only the pan because we're gonna use it. We will try it.
So, oh guys, I forgot to show you these. It has salt and pepper container. But
It's included.
yeah, it's included. I forgot to show you that. I also have a pot to mix. And I have here whisk, egg, salt, and oil. And guys, please ask your parents to plug this because it's dangerous. It's heat. So please ask your parents and ask your parents to help you.
It's off, so we're gonna still off. Function. I don't know what the P5 is. I couldn't understand the
Oh, maybe it's
instruction.
the high. There's a construction.
Fry.
There's construction.
Construction or instruction?
Yeah, instructions. I don't know where is it.
Oh, this one is for frying. This mode is for frying. Okay. Where did I put the pot? So,
Mommy.
okay. We're gonna put the pot in here.
Yeah. So, yeah. And I'm gonna make the egg, guys.
Okay.
But I need to put the salt.
No.
Okay. Later, we're gonna put it
Yes.
when the video ends.
Mhm.
Okay. So, I have here egg. I should crack it with this fork.
Okay, go.
I know how to crack now, guys.
Careful.
Wow.
Here.
Yum. Okay.
Then,
The oil? Oh,
No,
later
no.
we're gonna put the oil.
let's see if it's heating. I'm scared.
Is it heating?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so I'm gonna
It's
put
a
the
bit
salt.
hot now.
Only a little bit because it's gonna be salty.
That's enough. Oh.
And I'm gonna
So-
whisk it. I will
Okay,
whisk it.
go, go. Let's see if it's hot already. I'm scared. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it is.
You're gonna.
So, time to put the oil. There you go.
Can you
Ooh.
get my spatula? Please.
I'm not sure if the spatula is heat resistant.
I think it is.
Let's spread the
I
oil.
want to spread it. It's mine.
Okay.
I'm gonna make scrambled egg because I'm gonna try it. I want to cook because my dream when I'm gonna be old is to be a chef. That's my dream that's my dream when I'm gonna be old. That's my dream. And that's my friend's dream too. When she's gonna be
I think that's enough. You can put it on the...
Oh, here we go. Can we put it all? I'm gonna see if it's working. If it's gonna be an egg.
Of course. Egg.
Let's just wait. I want to wait. I can't wait. Look, it's cooking.
You can do this, oh.
What? Can I do it? Hey. Is this?
Later. Oh.
No, not like that. Different way.
I think the pan is not non-stick.
What's
Though
non?
it looks like non-stick pan.
What's non-stick?
The,
What's non-stick?
oh, it is non-stick.
What's non-stick? What's non-stick? Tell me, please. What's non-stick? What's non-stick?
Hold on, wait.
I want to do that. What's non-stick?
If the egg is sticking on the pan, that means the pan is not non-stick. If the food is not sticking, that's non-stick.
If the food is not sticking,
Not sticking on the pan.
oh, it will come up easily.
Yeah. Is
This
it non-stick?
This is not non-stick.
I think it is. Because the egg is not sticking on the pan.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh my god, you're cooking an egg!
It's non-stick.
Do you have a plate?
Plate?
Mm.
No. This doesn't include.
This is so fun. This is really
Later, I'm gonna cook
fun.
for me and Budang. This
Next
is my
time
egg.
you make a video that you're gonna cook it, that you will
I
cook
mean,
rice
I want
and
to. Oh, here or the other one, the bigger
rice
one.
and what else? Hot dog.
Yeah, and egg.
Another egg. Wow! Wow!
Flip it.
Yeah, flip. Oh my god, it looks like pancake.
I know how to cook now! Yay!
This gonna be your bayan for later, for
Yeah.
dinner. I think Budang would like to cook too.
Yeah, let's make her cook later.
Okay.
So be careful, guys. Don't touch this when you're making something now. Right now.
Ah, but
Don't touch it because it's hot. That's why mine is
it's
cooking.
non-stick. The pan is non-stick because the egg looks like that, oh, and
Yeah.
it didn't stick.
Yeah,
the
but
pan.
the other pans, like when you're cooking, I think it's not non-stick.
Yeah.
Oh, mine is non-stick. I'm happy because it's easy to clean.
I'm gonna keep it. Wait.
So I'm just flipping it, guys.
I think you can.
What?
Let's
I think it's
let's
good
cook.
now.
Yeah.
I think we can eat it. I can eat
Yeah.
it.
Go.
looks like pumpkin. Now I'm done.
Go try it.
It
Here.
looks like pumpkin.
Oh, where's...
Okay, let's try it now, guys. Looks like pancake. Yeah, it looks like pancake. This is a small. Yeah, it's a small pancake. Yeah, there's Lola. I'm gonna make everyone taste it. Really hot.
Sakit na ulo at lagnat, yung malakas o maingat. Hindi mo kailangan mamulit. May Jessie, ang galing ng malakas, pero maingat. Ang galing ng alagang Bio Jessie. Ingat!
Lumilab yan. With 8 Black. Sarap. Diretso na sa new delivery app for anyone not craving. May exclusive offers.
What's
At
yummy?
discounts ka pa.